Hello everyone, as you can see this we got one more, we got stabilizer. So here whenever the stabilizer is switched on, as you heard, this noise appears and there is a buzzing noise inside, but there is no output from the stabilizer. So let's try to solve it. Switch it off, remove the plug, take out the plug, place it upside down. It is broken. This one is good. It's broken from here. Okay, we are not having any problem with that. Let's see. Tell me. So as you can see, the main capacitor here, it has bulging. So let me change that capacitor and check. This capacitor I will replace and check it. This capacitor, it's a 470 microfarad, 40 volts. So actually in my stock I have a 470 microfarad 63 volts. So I will use this one. The size is a little bit bigger, but it does fit here. Doesn't cause any harm. Connect this. Okay, now let's switch it on and check. Okay, now I think there is no problem. So let me connect this one, the monitor, indicators. Okay, as you can see now it's good, it's working fine. So the thing is, now I need to fix this one as well. So first let me, I have removed this. So let me take this out. For fixing this, first I need to clean it first, thoroughly clean it nicely, then I will fix it with epoxy adhesive so that the joint will be permanent. Take a little bit clear. I'm using a clear one so that it will dry fast. Actually, instead of using adhesive, I can drill a hole and fix a screw and bolt nut. But what happens whenever we try to fix the plug, the force will be only on the screw and center here of this plastic. There are chances that it will easily come out. So if we apply adhesive, the force will be divided on all four sides of the there are two grooves here and here. The PCB should be placed in that grooves. Now take this screw and nut. Now it is good, but need to wait for it to dry. It will dry by itself. I will not use this plug yet. Now this is the indicator board connection. Let's fasten the screws. Let me check it once again by switching it on. As you can see, now it's good. Earlier there was a kirr noise that is the relay was switching on and off, and then there was no output, but now the output is good. Hope this video is going to be helpful for you in repairing your bigod stabilizer on your own. If this video was helpful for you, kindly hit the like icon, share the video, and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed. Thank you for watching everyone. Have a good time.